Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch.
Forever be that bitch.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll take your rice of choice and then you're gonna fill it halfway up. So you will need a half a cup of rice. You will need an empty container that can be sealed. And then we're gonna start off by washing the rice, just rinsing it off. Now that the rice is clean, you're going to need 2 to 3 cups of water. So because the smell of rice water is extremely bad, I personally haven't experienced it and I do not want to. I'm going to take a lemon and use the peel to put inside of the rice water so that it won't have that smell. Now you will see me squeezing lemon juice. That is because I am using that for my sugar wax video that is coming soon. I will put it in the description when it comes around. So that is what it looks like once I get all those ingredients in together. Now it is time to seal it and store it overnight in the fridge. So it is now the next morning and I have took the mixture out and it smells literally just like lemon. I don't smell anything awful, thank God. So I definitely recommend you using lemon peels, or you can substitute it with orange peels as well. Okay, so let's try this again. So get you a bowl or a strainer or something so that you can drain out the rice water without having the rice and the lemons go into it.
Yeah, I want another door in the back. That's the standard door with, I think I put, I don't know what I put before. What is that? Stupid.
So we're gonna take the rice water and fill up an empty spray bottle so that I can have an easier application process with the rice water. Okay, so here's what I have left over and I will be storing that in the fridge. So now you're gonna wanna wash your hair, and I'm starting off with Mayu Moisture's shampoo. And as you guys seen in one of my previous videos, absolutely love that shampoo. Then you want to have a cheap conditioner. I'm just using VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze, and I put that all throughout my hair so that it'll have some slip and be easier to detangle. Then you want to section off your hair into 3 or 4 parts. Then you want to begin to finger detangle with that conditioner. Then take a denim brush, mine is just a knockoff denim, and brush thoroughly through your head. Make sure you touch those roots because if not, your hair won't be detangled, okay? After I had finished this section, I went ahead and did the rest of my head, and that is all of the hair that came out. Then you want to rinse out each section. Okay, so now I'm just wringing out of the extra water because I'm about to go in with the rice water. I spray that thoroughly through my head, finger detangle, and brush it out. So here's what that section looks like after the rice water was applied. rinse, repeat to all the other sections. All the sections are done, I do go back over with the rice water and just thoroughly saturate my hair even more. Now it is time to put your hair up, and you want to leave that rice water in for 30 to 45 minutes. Personally, I left mine in for an hour. That's just because I got busy. So once it's up, you want to cover it up with a plastic bag, and then I do a towel over top of it just to keep from that extra water dripping down my neck. So here's what my hair looks like after the rice water has sat in it for an hour. So you want to go ahead and rinse that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and deep condition my hair with Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. And again, I used that in my last video. Absolutely love it. So then I let it sit for 3 minutes. And then after the 3 minutes, of course, rinse it out. Here's what my hair looks like after the full process. Okay, so after I finished with everything, I went ahead and styled my hair. Period. No, for real though, I really like this hairstyle. Y'all, it took forever, but the girl got it. Doing the natural hair, natural face, no nails, quarantine, popping, period. But y'all, and I can do a video if you guys want to know how I got this hairstyle. Just leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to do that for you guys. I really like I really like the rice water. It definitely made my hair super, super, super soft. The smell was not there. It was like non-existent because I put so much lemons in there. As I said before, you can substitute orange peels with it instead. But I definitely will be using rice water again throughout my hair routines. Especially when I do my deep conditioner, I'm going to start putting that into the routine. So I will be filming a updated wash and go coming very soon. I know you guys are going to ask what I used in my hair. Just use wet line. So if you want a video on that, again, comment down below. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I'm definitely going to come back to you guys with an updated rice water video and show my hair growth or how my hair has changed over the time of using the rice water. So stay tuned for that. I am very excited for you. I'm very excited for you guys to see that. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye.
We'll forever be that bitch.
Forever be that bitch.